Hey yo, feel the beat. Just let it run. Explore your talents. Use yourself as a challenge, motherfucker. I'm not. Yeah. Introducing problematic shit, shattered, no padded, drug addict, automatic, yeah. I roll with large stacks, nice cars, round ass, switching lanes too fast, 9 mil in the dash, fucking me, get smashed, retarded drugs, mismatch. I love the competition, but competitors don't need. You're standing sad out, you're constantly getting beat, making it sound that you're making a year. Throughout each week, if you can't take the heat, stay the fuck out the kitchen. Yeah, that's words from Luda. You think you're flying Pumas? I'm an outrageous barracuda. You a broke ass loser, like comparing A-class to a tuna. No chance of becoming cooler than me. Can't you see? This ain't a Nintendo game. This reality as real as it gets. The 50 Cent getting shot 9 times with a bulletproof vest. Feel the adrenaline rush, pumping hard through your chest. The crowd gathers round. DJ drops the beat. 4 seconds go by. He thinks he just fly. I'm sorry I had to break it to you, but your work is cheated on you with another guy. Anyways, enough of that. Spit the shit and see you rap. Or I forgot that you can't, cause you're useless as the hairs on my left nutsack. Bitch, don't hold back. Let it all out. I'm sorry, did I stutter? You were really about to choke. I thought you were a rapper that could nail every note. Didn't fool me with the fake jewelry and fakey ass peacoat. Just looking at you begin to stress me out. Quick, somebody please let the goddamn weed smoke, yeah. I've been let down too many times to give in without a fight. Whether borderline or certain, all chapters to my life. Maybe clinically insane from all the drug entering my brain. But that hasn't mentally or physically affected my effort to maintain what I've been trying to accomplish up to this day. I'm a psychopath in my mind when I try to piece together rhymes to every line. Looking for a so divine every day on my grind. Why must life be so hard? Left wishing upon a fallen star, eager for an opportunity to encounter as a start. Go hard or go home. That should be the motto to live by. Failure to do so may result in no more tries. Approach unique style much easier to imbibe, motherfucker. Hate me for I'm not, either way no love lost. Gonna continue doing my thing till the money becomes my cash crop. And shout out to the haters who just could never consider one last shot. Only 17 now, but on page it's getting really hot. Live it on the flow, got money galore. Bitches, this is what you know, yeah. Let it run. Problematic. Check it out, yo.